Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. We are from Group 1, and we are right now going to talk about academic writing. Before we start our presentation, let me introduce our member groups. They are, next please. They are Albert Giovanni, moderator, and Enowa Putri Azahra. Also, we have Nazar Korinisa, and also have Sabil Alwaza, Tentri Rahma Okhtari, and last but not least, Vanessa Eka Wandana. So, for the first presentation that we are going to talk is about what is writing academic that will be presented by Tentri. For Tentri, time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. And now I want to explain about academic writing. Next, please. Academic writing is a formal and unbiased style of writing that is clear, evidence, precise, focused, well-structured, well-searched, and consistent. Academic writing also have the benefit. Academic writing plays a pivotal role in student academic all over the world. Professors spend their maximum time in teaching how to write academically. When we are working on our assignment, we have to pay attention to our writing skill and also know how to demonstrate our perspective effectively. Being a student, we must know how to write, breaking the flow. The art of writing teaches us how to make a deep evaluation of how to write information in the best manner, so you can hold the reader's attention till the end. The art of writing will help to obtain good grades in our academics. I come back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Tentri, for the first presentation. Sorry. So for the second part, we are going to talk about who is the audience of academic writing. So audience is an actual persons who will be reading your paper. In the academic setting, your audience is generally your professor or your classmates, and sometimes other professors who may be assess your work at the end of the semesters. It is therefore critical to consider how you will articulate your ideas is in order to reach the desired objective for the specific audience. So in the screen, we can see that some audience is someone who is in the field, or such as in structure or colleges. So that's for me. For the next part is Nazla, that will tell about why is academic writing important. For Nazla, the time is yours.
Thank you for Albert. And now I want to tell you why is academic writing is important. The importance of academic writing is the first for college. In college, almost every assignment involves academic writing. Usually, college professor or lecturer give their student writing assignment in form of academic writing. And for scholarship, someone's style of academic writing can reflect their mindset and knowledge. It somehow helps to judge to choose which of the best candidates the candidate is the best. and other aspects of academic writing which make it vital for intellectual growth and ability to lead a successful life. The first is improves critical thinking skills. When you are writing an academic paper, you are not limited to simple presenting information. Such a process helps increase intellectual capacity and enables you to think critically on various issues. The second is it increases your knowledge. Every time a student writes an essay, he or she scrutinizes something new, thus learning to have different perspectives on particular arguments. Furthermore, writing paper on different issues and disciplines significantly improves the vocabulary and make the language more literate. The third is prepares you for prepare you for the future. Writing assignment which you get in college and university actually prepare you for completing more challenging projects that require analytical skills. Most job positions require the ability to take up complex challenge. And the fourth, it helps you grow intellectually. Academic writing helps improve your observational and analytical skill and sharpens your memory. While producing any kind of academic paper, you get involved in the deep analysis of a certain issues to be able to write something worthy and make your paper readable and argumentative. And the last, it teach you to manage your time. Academic paper always come with deadlines for submitting. You just have to know opportunity to complete it anytime you want as you risk losing grades. So such assignment makes students manage their time according to the priority. That's all from me. I'm taking back to moderator.
Okay, thank you for Najla for the okay. Next to Vanessa, that will be presented about where can academic writing is be found. So for Vanessa, your time is please.
Thanks, moderator. Now I will explain about where can academic writing be found. Next. Academic writing is usually used in universities and scholarly publications. Academic writing can be found in journal articles, dissertation, essays, or research paper. Dissertation is a written work made by student as a requirement for graduation at a university. Essays is a short piece of writing on a specific scientific topic. Research paper is academic writing that is made based on problem formulation, theoretical basis, and research result from the problem. Thank you. I'll give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Vanessa, for your time. And next we have Sabila, who will be present about how to write good academic writing. For Sabila, your time is yours.
Thank you, moderator. So to write a good academic writing, you need to focus on these following things. The first one, you need to write in an academic tone, such as use the third person of voice, like cannot, do not, or something similar. And the second one, you need to be objective, not personal. You need to talk more about the evidence rather than your feelings about it. The third one, you need to use short sentences over long complex sentences. The fourth, you need to use tentative language, like instead of writing, it is proven that blah, 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 you can write, it is possible to believe that blah, 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 to leave some room for doubt. And the last but not least, you need to cite the source of the sentence from others' publication to avoid plagiarism, because you know, right, that plagiarism is a criminal. So there is some tips to maintain a good academic writing. And now I'm taking this back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Sabila, for the great presentation. Now we have the last presenter is Eno, and Eno will be present about when to cite sources in academic writing. So for Eno, the time is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Can you next? Okay. Citing source is an important part of academic writing. Whenever you use information or idea from a source, such as a book, article, or web page, you have to include a citation that give credit to the original author. There are many different citation style with different rules for formatting citation. When to cite source in academic writing. First, when quoting exact word directly from another's work, and then when use a famous quotation, when paraphrasing text writing by someone else, when summarizing ideas from or point from someone else's work, when reprinting table, card, diagram, data, statistic, or picture, and then when using someone else's idea. That's all from me. I'll taking back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Eno. So this is our last presentation. Thank you very much for your paying attention. See you next time, and thank you.